Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like my videos. So I'm back again with another unique, flavorful and delicious recipe of malai korma, which can be cooked very easily. The taste of this paneer dish is royal as it contains cashew, milk and other spices which gives it a rich flavor. If you are someone who is always ready to try something new, then you must try this recipe. So we'll start by heating a pan and add a 2 cup of water into it. Add chopped onions. Now in goes black cardamom, green cardamom and Shahi jeera. Now add some chopped ginger into it, some garlic, 2 green chilies and let it boil. Cover and boil for 20 to 25 minutes. Cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes on a low flame until the onion gets soft and mushy. Now onions are soft and mushy. Remove black cardamom and green chilies. Now strain it with the help of strainer. We do not want the water as it contains the sweetness of onions. So we'll take just onions and garlic, ginger and Shahi jeera. Grind it to a fine paste. Here we have cashew paste. In this cashew paste, we'll add curd, cashew, onion and yogurt paste is ready. Heat a pan, add ghee and crackle some Shahi jeera into it. Of cashew, yogurt and onion. Add salt. Stir well. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep cooking until you get the desired consistency. Here I have added split green chilies and some ginger juliennes. Add a dash of milk. Now add the chopped paneer cubes and give it a nice stir. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. It's now ready, so we'll garnish it with honey, chopped carrots and cilantro. So our tasty malai paneer korma is ready. Please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in a comment section below. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.